So Google I/O just concluded, and boy oh boy did we get some really interesting hardware and even software features, such as 24 new languages in Google Translate, speaking more naturally with your Google Assistant, and even improved audio and video in Google Meet. But you don't really care about those. What you want to see is all the new hardware that we got. Here it is. So starting off, we got what most of us already expected, and that was the Google Pixel 6a. It shares the design of the Google Pixel 6, at least on the front and on the sides. It has a 6.1-inch display, the refresh rate was not specified, and dual lenses at the back, the main lens and the ultra-wide lens, both at 12 megapixels, and with the capabilities of real tone when taking pictures, night sight, and even the magic eraser, which has been enhanced to allow you even change the colors of some objects as well. The Pixel 6a comes with the Google Tensor system on a chip, making it the cheapest Pixel device to have this chipset. This chipset uses machine learning for better speech functions like live translate and even better security functions. With the Titan M2 chip, 5 years of security updates, and an under-display fingerprint sensor. The Pixel 6a will come rocking Android 12, and it is slated to come at $449, which is a more than fair price if you ask me, and it is definitely going to destroy other devices around that same price point, at least when it comes to photography and software features. Now moving on to the device which took me by surprise, and I don't know about you, Google unveiled the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro, which will be coming later this year. We were told that the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will have an aluminum housing and a camera bar, and both will come with the Tensor Gen 2 chip. Both will also come rocking Android 13, and that's it. That's basically all we got. So we're going to have to stay tuned to see if we get any more updates regarding the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Next up, music lovers out there rejoice because we got a new generation of Pixel Buds as well with the Pixel Buds Pro. The Pixel Buds Pro are the first generation of Pixel Buds to come with active noise cancellation with silent seal technology to compensate for noise leakage from the silicone tips. They also have transparency mode in case you want to listen to what's going on around your environment, and they utilize something Google called beamforming microphones for voice amplification, and they reduce the noise of the environment around you when you are making calls and things like that. They're slated to have a battery life with 11 hours worth of playback and 7 hours with your active noise cancellation turned on. They also have support for the Google Voice Assistant and multi-point connectivity support, so you can switch between them and other devices. Google also said we're expecting to get spatial audio on these buds coming later this year, and if you lose one or both of them, you can track them using the Find My Device application, or you can just ring them if you think they're somewhere in the room. The Pixel Buds Pro are slated to come in at $200, which is not a very steep asking price, so we're gonna have to wait to see just how well they perform. The next device we got is for the fellow smartwatch lovers like me, and that is the Pixel Watch. The Pixel Watch is made of
beautiful recycled stainless steel,
and it has a digital rotating crown similar to that on the Apple Watch. They claimed it's going to boast of improved Wear OS design, making it easier and even more intuitive to use. You can ask Google Assistant to perform functions for you using the watch. You can also use Google Maps even without your phone. So if you need to navigate somewhere or you go out on a run without your smartphone, you will not get lost. You can also pay and access all your other cards using Google Wallet on your Pixel Watch. Another feature they announced was Google Home on the Pixel Watch, which allows you to control your smart home devices like your smart lights and things like that directly from your Pixel Watch. They also spoke about an integration with Fitbit to provide you with top-of-the-line health tracking. Examples being continuous and accurate heart rate and sleep tracking. Unfortunately, the price of the Pixel Watch was not announced, so that is still pending. And another surprise device that we got at Google I/O was the announcement of the Pixel tablet. The only piece of information we got from this was that it is coming next year in 2023. But from what we can see, the design isn't really outstanding. At the back, it has a single camera and it kind of looks like a Pixel 3a if you ask me. But we're gonna have to wait to get more information on that. Now back to a couple of the software features they spoke about. For Android 13, we're expected to get improved RCS messaging, which means faster and more secure text messages and even the ability to react to messages. We also had the announcement of Google Wallet, which would be great for payment, and you can store some cards in there as well, such as your student ID, the card to start up your car, your vaccination card, and so on. Google said they've been working with government officials to even allow you to put things like your ID cards and licenses like your driver's license in your Google Wallet wallet as well. They also spoke about accident detection. For those who might be involved in an accident, your phone can contact emergency services directly for you. There are also some multi-device support functionalities, like the ability to copy from your phone and paste directly on your tablet, or vice versa. They also spoke about fast pair, which would allow you to pair your devices like your smartphone or your tablet with your earbuds or your smartwatch very quickly without fiddling through any pairing settings. But that's the gist of Google I/O summed up in less than 10 minutes. There's a lot that we have to look forward to this year, and I really hope Google deliver with all of this hype. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section right below the like button, and please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video.
My name is Johannes, this is Tech PhD, and I'll see you in one of the videos showing on the screen right around everywhere here. So yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.